tip number 5 to being the stellar you in 2020 and beyond. Let's go. I'm so excited because 2020 is almost here. Now, this tip is going to be make sure your goal, your objective, your win, your success is clear so you know exactly that you've arrived there. Now, this is going to apply to not only the big overarching goal, the resolutions, the desired outcome that we have, but this is also going to apply to those smaller steps that we're going to take that we talked about number 4. Once we know what a win looks like when we take those small, consistent steps every single day, we know we're on the right track. And now project that to the big overarching goal that you have. What does it look like? What does it sound like? What does it feel like? Give it numbers, put some meat on the bones, give it color, give it texture, bring it to life so you know exactly what it is that we're trying to get to, and so we know when we get there. So that's going to tie into pro tip number 6 that we'll go into later on, which you can celebrate. We'll expand more on that. But for right now, give your goal, your success, your win, give it texture, bring it to life so you know when you get there and you know how you're being stellar in 2020 and beyond.